Hello friends, first of all, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is very beautiful at the same time, because in this video I am going to share a very beautiful and a wide variety of design ideas of face mask embroidery. Yes friends, all of these masks are hand embroidered masks and all of these designs are very beautifully designed using the very simple and easy and basic hand embroidery stitches ideas, because this video is absolutely favorable for hand embroidery beginners, for hand embroidery artists, and as well at the same time for hand embroidery lovers. So if you are in search of some very beautiful, creative, artistic and stylish designer style handmade hand embroidered 3 layers with inner filter pocket, reusable, washable, comfortable, lightweight and very creative designer style mask design ideas, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. And the beauty of today's collection is that the whole collection contains very beautiful and wide perspective of design ideas. The design ranges from very simple and very easy to make design ideas towards some very heavy, all over different types of nature inspired floral embroidery design patterns as well. But today's video is a bit longer than my normal everyday usual or my previous videos. All you have to do is kindly be patient and watch the video till end, so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and very trendy and very beautiful design ideas. Friends, the beauty of today's video is that it is very beautiful and a very stylish collection of design ideas for every age group, that is very funky and very beautiful birds embroidery, animal embroidery design ideas for kids face masks, and very funky and stylish attractive masks like bee embroidery, like cats embroidery, fox embroidery, and very beautiful unicorn embroidery ideas for teenagers, for youngsters as well. Some very decent and delicate and elegant collection of floral design ideas, nature inspired hand embroidery patterns, hand embroidery floral bouquets, some theme inspired like Christmas masks, some real life nature inspired flowers like daffodil, lazy daisy flower, and very more beautiful and artistic design ideas of hand embroidery patterns as well. So all you have to do is kindly watch the video till end, take all the design ideas and make up your mind, and kindly do try at least one of the favorite design pattern of yours. And if you have already fabric material based face masks that are in your use, they are reusable and washable, and they are very simple and very dull, and they are only made up of simple or plain fabric, then kindly you can also go for designing your already in use your old mask, and you have an idea to recreate a very beautiful, stylish and new look at the same time by following these very beautiful and very easy embroidery patterns of face masks also. So I suggest you to kindly do try these patterns, and not only this, you can also make these patterns onto a wide variety of your girls fashionable accessories as well, to keep a very beautiful, compact and a stylish full packaged look as well. So if you are thinking to get some classy ideas, to be some cozy, or to get some cheesy with your very beautiful patterns of masks, then go with these very beautiful and very trendy ideas. And why I am stressing it, or why I am emphasizing again and again about very beautiful and attractive, or the funkiness or the stylish or the decency of these design ideas, because they are not only a sign of style or designing, but at the same time these ideas are very important for us, because they would keep you protected from very dangerous and very harmful pandemic situation like COVID, which is affecting human community badly and widely in massive number, and we must take precautionary measures to keep ourselves protected. And wearing masks is the very important prerequisite and a very easy precautionary measure to keep ourselves protected. And with this, you will not only keep yourself protected, but the persons near you as well. So again, I'm requesting you, kindly please make a habit of wearing masks, and don't go out without having masks onto your faces, mouths or face. So the funky creativity of these design ideas continues. Like you can also make hand face mask embroidery patterns as well. Make a hand that have some floral branches or bouquets. Or if we talk about the embroidery stitches, then the answer is again very simple and easy. That very easy, very stylish, very trendy hand embroidery stitches have been used to make these whole masks as well. Like if we start from very easy, which ones are used, then the embroidery stitches that are commonly used throughout the world, like French knot, bullion knot, Brazilian embroidery, satin stitch, fly stitch, lazy daisy, chain stitch, and the most widely used stem stitch have been used to design these very beautiful mask patterns. So on my channel you can get all type of very stylish, amazing and trendy design ideas related to women fashion as well. And one more thing that we left behind, that I was discussing in the prior part of my video, that which type of very beautiful and amazing trendy design ideas could be utilized by using these very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidery patterns of face masks. So girls could also design their mobile covers, their glasses covers, their makeup pouches. Designing could be also does by using these very beautiful and easy patterns of embroidery. And not only this, friends, not only this, you can also make, or you could also design your handbags, your bags already in use, and even you can also make these very beautiful patterns onto your handmade materials, like hand knitted stuff like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and even you can make these very beautiful and pretty patterns onto the designing of your baby girls frocks, baby girls dresses as well. So friends, if you really like my today's collection, my today's perspective of sharing the beauty and the stylish design ideas of today's collection, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel or my new content. And please don't forget to comment below this video, because your comments are the only way through which we get to know how you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. So thank you so much once again. Stay blessed, stay connected, stay positive, and try to make a habit of wearing mask and help your community, your city, your country, your local area government to control this pandemic situation, which is massively affecting human community with each and every rising day. So thank you so much once again for watching, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and kindly make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable YouTube family.